mau fikole nu baramada yo le cho yo jo bom bom bola bom kakani gakemi fikole ma we fikole ma mbe fikole ma fikole ma fikole ma ewe fikole ma
Always remember how counting down 3, 2, 1, then faith. Fast. The video is restart. Tell him stand by. Stand by. Going 3, 2, 1. You are alive. You are alive. You are alive. You are alive. Then quickly go to the top and put his name. You know where your name is. Scroll to the top, scroll to the top. You use this to scroll. That's his name. Monitor the sound. You can. No sound. You can't hear anything. Let me see. Remove the name. Okay.
Qu'attend la vigie et la vigie Fou pepe va glolo oh et glolo ma we ezangba le jado aja bagba asi
yo mogboga do wezona mi va mi apendi ona mi ko to mo chuchu mi ma be mi odododo de kavaro alaba nya azorango me dakpade bikata toto ne to hachi o kan gbana o ke gbagba jembe mi afa Wɔna na Jeffiotto Jagato akpena ye do jogata lenchinya fiandia happy Independence Day na miao kata Joshua Kingdom Mauko wala Christian memi kata le fia kwa modo happy Independence Day na mi wachu mo ko do happy Independence Day ne nia panya selo kata la Ghana Togo wala betadu ko kata me mi don kujiba mi da Facebook ha India takpami le Facebook le Facebook a mia kpoge ta miawe nye Ewenyigba TV le Facebook mioke ganye Ewenyigba TV le TikTok miapo no wichona kokokokokokwi oda na de TikTok ta na jobe ya asenyo kata ke jime share yi ne bi akpo le gashaga ma ke ajona cheka kwa premium le TikTok ji miawe nye Ewenyigba TV le YouTube ji mioke ganye Ewenyigba TV mada kpere miala ke gbegbe be mili kpakple yo mia zorango aje wona gome kpata ke mi gonje ke kple mia pro motivational segment egba onye be Independence Day edition here ta wona no getoke ke mia akpo mia pro motivational message ikenye nyare ke George Padmore blo po gbaro bai ike du koplo la gbanto Kwame Nkrumah haglo na eji motivational message for today. We are not mere survivors. We are warriors forged in the fire of resilience. Let's start with the motivational quote for today. Welcoming you to Ewenyigba TV's morning edition of shows. Tony McBoy is the one anchoring the conversation from now to 10. And I hope that we have a good time. Thank all of you. Happy Independence Day to everyone listening to us. We are not mere survivors. We are warriors forged in the fire of resilience. I'll take that again for the last time. We are not mere survivors. We are warriors forged in the fire of resistance. All right, George Padmore, Kwame Nkrumah, all have said this several times. And on the Independence Day of Ghana, I think I'll try to bring this back to our notice. Mere survivors are those who escaped, are those who did not die by some fate of benevolence, by some help of benevolent forces. And these are people that are CCs, pharaohs. These are people that were held by their captors, their slavers, their masters to be independent. But George Padmore and the forebears of our independence fight have said that we are not mere surviving. We are not merely surviving, but we are warriors, and we are forged in the fire of resistance. We are fighters. We know how to fight, and we know how to win. And we win fighting, and we win without fighting. And that's a motivational message for today. Yo, I'm working go yo ke jagbagba wafu na ablode nana ameibo duko kata ameibo duko nyato wito ado ko wazo aburo mo la America duko mo do motor ka George Padmore go glombe nyo mi nyamo ke kafla amon we na be mi lagbe ko menye gbagba o me mi lagbe lagbagba to mako alaba o pere mi anwu alo ma o dinami o menye mo we de takwe kaka nyonto hai ma o kwedo klutanami mi kwedo tanami rokyo alaba nyafu la nyame ke to hunya me nyame ke jomi son to jokpo me nyame ke mito ansaso me afiegba ni le tem tanemi dota menye de nyame ke akuviato nyame ke ona logodoko kaka asrafo mienye apaola mienye nyame ke kpo etu kple du kple tsobibi wetona afigala gbe tani mi la gba mi kpo na ne teƒe mi to na ne me ema mi akọ awo mi akọ motivational message le gba me adeko me jawa gba ƒo nyia nyala gawo de gome le mo vovovo ntsi gaka le mi agbodia mi atwe be ne mi ho do kwisi alo Ghana ho do kwisi mi bi mi atwe be nke mi chodo kwisi la o me ne mi ho do kwisi de fide kawe do to ncho mi ho do kwisi ame ne mi ho do kwisi de nka o mi afia me gba na nyen kekare ke mi akoten bla kere mi aro kyo me abi mi aro kyo be le ke mi so mi apa so ni ale ko ba pe ka hi ke akpotoko na kana na ko blandre ka ne Ghana ro nya bio jia ka gba ke mi fuma na Ghana zo ma ga ho faro nya ga ho Ghana my motherland Ghana zo nya ga ho ka Ghana bu ko de le ke ngole na mi do yi mi yingo na tefa alumbe mi bia ko yime mi le ka rin tefa ka o je mi awo na mi on to mi aro ke o pe mi ade du ko aya o kata ni ba bia ke achite cho nyagbe kele nyagbo me ye susu mata gbule kata o gaka amaga ho ro ko fo nyale nyama nyaga ho ro ko o da ngo mo ro kyo gna ro kyo mo bugbo hona e de sia cho nyaro ta ba mo nya gbola gbo ne yo trobia no ha me bi bo de sia kine holo ko se ke so asio bia ro ki ba nyagbe kele nyagbo de ko se ko na mi ha ba gbogbo aga wo agloba we are not mere survivors, we are warriors forged in the fire of resistance. And that's how we start the motivational segment of our show today. Majijigoa, memia koga koile a home youth resource center, ikele adakru. Alabe miakbo mionto miano vistomboy ike hope blaton vo ni la choy ke vaime alabe nia akpo mujaka de ona de ike wowo le yento yefe achigbazan duo na me nia pe amuganto jikpola James Gunu nyama kwa tohe ade yike ano wona mama echo yike bai ka amagak be ocho hiko kwasha kwakle bo wona matefe ta le gba fon keke ama anyamo popo ga de nan ba nya aglo big happy birthday to Stoneboy na maje shi Stoneboy yo no tata maje jam tibiaji Livingston, Satekla, i Kenya Hajila Ganhonko. When I came to I don't call it the torture experience. The torture in Akadi, but you share Kadiale, Maucho Akadila Nai, a chonko le Ngogbe, Alawa, I'm not room. So those are highlights from the torture experience. I want to say a very, very big happy birthday to Stoneboy. Okay, Chobaya, Gana kata go for Nyajojo Kakalao, Nyajojo Kakafo Katano for Fia. Nyakbo nleda ni video da karecho nyap Gana television bo afi nyatrowe. Yo, nyapa nkola Stone Boy, Livingston, Santa Clara. Yi ka hopo blato vo ni cho. For Jimmy Tonkwa Nkeke at Tongbe, that's the eve of independence. For a hapula mojakado na ike ijila ho. Miapa chichina machantua ike ganye to hoduna muganto me. For resource center ike le adaklu. Yemami says, so happy birthday to you, Stoneboy. We really wish you long life. You are greatly born. You are a great born guy. And we wish you all the best in your endeavors. All the way from Ewenyigba TV. Yo, me Jack the Stoneboy Fagbeta. Mionto, Miapanglo Vijiji. Ikanye, Miato, Ikanye, Kapola, Ika Bubu, Pletata. Blibo Vena, to Kokata. Where Gomajoana, Ikeiji, Cho. Torture experience. La ho ye ma mi po aji la vo ha po romani ala mi apa mo ganto ji kwala no fuma mi apa amagafo vo mi tapa akame yi akata za gara mota mi po mi apo no a very big happy birthday to you amahanye onye kpọrọ m na nyara m na mi ba fi ko joro matan ahora magbana na ma fi ka Mioka Domerechu, Maten Ahora Mogbanamo, Amarochon by Mio Melarcam, Akalinga Yatapoma, Bogbo, Ukalom Yat Gilao, my Kutrikuku, Vivito do, where Mtapo Michael Noma, you can have a stone boy, a Jamaica stone boy ho, you can have a stone boy of Fico, the Fiamicatametan with the clay, like an Akatagloto, independence, Panya Pomile, independence. Bobality araba emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Emancipation fanya gbomimile. Magakbebo o fia yocho o nana kamole mo kana kan va to fio. Just kana kan le fio to fa kana kan le fio tai mata wonta ko. Tai beta du komo aba wonta ko aba ko jemi adero. Yes tomboy water tomboy nyeta ta ganda na mikata. Michomo ko kwa happy birthday. Stoneboy per Gigi on the eve of independence. Don't put you 5th of March, 1957 on the Polo Ground. Polo Ground ma give us Independence Square ba. Miapo du kokula banto. Kwame Nkrumah play Inchimo no you declare the independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it's linked to the total liberation of Africa. That is still emancipation. That is still independence. That nakechi deka no jome bim, nakechi deka no jome bim anglo kuchaklolo. Ipa how you show nyato before nya glory, play nya lady mo yoke tomboy called you ha. It's just talking to all of us. We can still be the best of us, and it's an independence edition. So, miak bonka wenye nya jojoro yoke kakreme pa apology mi oge PPP. Alaba no puganya hono chichupiare mia agakere nya kavaro mo yoke kenya po independence struggle ale kenya to gozo zone agwarofia mi wo pirako nyako independence edition akodare tafare egba menye real political show nyana na mai menye discipline people declare the nyamo ejimi lagba alabe is an independence edition, and we're just basically talking about how we got to where we are today. Tami fuga chu miapo du kopolo katanche amakawe pro du kole kaime fiko kuleva sero afia makara ho waklo nkawe nyamio ke ijele maimo. What were the ups and downs? What were the ups and downs? And that's how we do the show today. Yo, hoide.com, you get a hoide.com, yakmonka jimle. From a strike looms as local government workers down tools. hoide.com, strike looms as local government workers down tools. That's a trending story over there. And NPM forces uniform fuel pricing. That's something we have over on hoide.com. Ghana Belgium Inc. debt restructuring agreement. We have that also on hoide.com. Then Ghana slashes palm oil import. It's another thing there. And of course, Stoneboy. Stoneboy is still on the front page here. Stoneboy rocks hole on 5th of March. So we just do a little bit of all these stories and we move forward. Strike looms at local government workers down tools. Story about lumber, GBBR, GBAGAIG, Alava, American civil and local government workers, you know, American dollar, Miapa Group, what the Opo, Ekmona assembly, what Donaji, American Jiru, Dudola, Yoko Chopak, Dudo, take be Yoka Suba Subam, Lemia assembly, I'm a more Ŋdi Wɔna 06.03.26. The Civil and Local Government Staff Association Ghana has announced an indefinite strike, citing unresolved grievances over working conditions and benefits. The move is expected to disrupt local governance services nationwide. So the association's decision follows a breakdown in negotiations with government over key issues, including salary arrears and staff regularization. Leaders say they've been forced to take drastic action to press home their demands. The strike will affect various local government departments, including district assemblies and municipal offices. Services such as birth and death registration, revenue collection, and waste management are likely to be impacted. The government has been urged to engage with the union to resolve the impasse. The strike's timing is critical, coming ahead of the country's budget presentation. All right, the Mikbo Ameokata Miapo Dudo Yokopona Council Assembly Oponyaoji Ameokata Nye Dudolo Yokocho Hagbakoka to call. If you have over door, my NDC, trainer, or when you prepare now, take it. Let the door, woman, Subosuboman, open Yanya, a GBBR regime low, Woodome, Kerr, Blomber, yo no Babajamba, your Punkler, Jidua, your Agare, Nyam, Malogons, Sanavagaka, Bazrefia Gons, some of our magic, your Ogabona, budget, if you have Dr. Castrato, forcing Gabona, Gazaruru. Nugget Wananya, okay, Grasota, Hamalo, Obiaba Sota, Wahana, Atemo Bene, Gazaruru, Yoka, Jizoga, Jingato, Yoka Gabonam, Narunkuji, Aquajim Mamlam, Yeme budget, okay, national budget. Can up Jingaton Vaya, Ajaboga Boga, Gaya, Yobo, Zanya, Alaka, Yosavanya. Yoziakma, Yumaziakma, Jurapa Ganyari, and Guaymalo Bang, a Jurari Akbarun Lamore, a Foyo Yoka, Yoko, a Junto Shajunto, Yogatroba Parliament, Alboga Ganyama, a Pajuma Tommy and Lamajimo, Jumata Yang, Gata, Mapopoli, the Domagai Capona, Miafa, Ganyaji to Ganyaji, Dr. Casilla Telfos and Gavaga Havapum, Alova. Ojiba Dodona no yung ta ujaye ita obiji hajakal hada shoko do ngombe magato ko na jiru ma akato ase yopanya oko ke o to panya malu yo Ghana Belgium Inc. Debt Restructuring Pact. Ghana Belgium Inc. Debt Restructuring Pact. Ghana has signed a debt restructuring agreement with Belgium, marking a significant step in the country's efforts to manage its external debt. The deal is part of Ghana's broader strategy to restructure its debt and restore macroeconomic stability. The agreement involves a comprehensive restructuring of Ghana's debt owed to Belgium, aimed at improving the country's fiscal sustainability. The government has been engaging with creditors to secure favorable terms and ensure debt relief. The Minister of Finance emphasized that the agreement demonstrates Belgium's confidence in Ghana's economic reform program. And according to Dr. Kaselato Forsen, the Minister of Finance, this deal is a testament to our commitment to responsible debt management, he said. And Ghana has been seeking to restructure its debt to free up resources for development and social programs. The country has faced economic challenges, including a high debt to GDP ratio, prompting the need for restructuring. The agreement with Belgium is expected to contribute to Ghana's efforts to stabilize its economy and attract investment. The government remains committed to implementing reforms to support economic growth and poverty reduction. All right. Nyatakaka veke lemia bo vehenya to lemia bo nye Dr. Kachel Atofoso bele yo hachi Kenya tutoma kake kona kanya onji na Belgium. Pira ko Dr. Kachel Atofoso ngakla Belgium jirura to domagaji ogbugbo kashagban rete Ghana for a fagla yoko dula Belgium chia o watro shinanchi agbale ka jioda ashia lo dashiro ke nye afodo bala lo fa makaka gbale na nagaba gagla ko jiru ana sai kana jiru apa ganyao naga serejia odidi oji apoto hefia ba na midufa mi magbo o yalo demia ahia u gogo mba o yo de kuku Ghana di fe mi khaga ka mi no khanchi fi ala ba ni mbo no ka mo khan fofofo na ma ni me ponyo ga mo ka jiru ahia ko do la mo fofo nwa ma ka pona yin no ko ka ga yo ka nye kporejio alo jirejio yo ke fi re na ba jo ko ha ugbo gule bono lan kuronchi ala ba ga fi o khame mila ma do bore to ko na ma ta mi na kuku ga jojo kata no bobo mo na mi ta o iji ho gule ko sababa o le kata la gbaraji o da shete nke na fi Dr. Kasila to force ni o ma gbo plomba duo ga glogodo yi kenya joka o yi kenya video ka jiru apopom ito za ko fa khabna peta ko mo sumar ka ala ke bo na ba ga mani chimni ko predo me vio ncho ta ga ho me ke o koza na o kana fowe asugbo pa le yo jiji ga yo kham yo na beta du ko ina fo yo ka yo du jo Ghana po do kisi khogbon li fuka kala seregba to jijiru e share ko fo yo ka o re pa pere yo to ga yo ko yo hin abo yo ko tudu aro anyo be o di ga o ji poto na yo khaga ga ka manye fifio ko mo re pe goma se ikali na nya enya yo Ghana slashes palm oil import bill with China deal. Ghana slashes palm oil import bill with China deal. Ghana is set to save $200 million in foreign exchange through a new partnership with China aimed at boosting local palm oil production. The deal, inked recently, is expected to significantly reduce the country's reliance on imports and enhance self-sufficiency in edible oils. The agreement involves Chinese expertise and involvement in Ghana's palm oil sector, focusing on planting, processing, and manufacturing. This move is part of government efforts to diversify the economy and promote agricultural development. The Minister of Food and Agriculture emphasized that the partnership will create jobs, increase farmers' incomes, and improve Ghana's trade balance. This is a game changer for our agricultural sector, he said. Ghana currently spends millions of dollars annually in palm oil imports, a situation the new deal aims to address. With the country's palm oil demand projected to rise, local production will help meet this demand and potentially create export opportunities. The partnership also includes skills transfer and technology sharing, which will benefit local farmers and agri-businesses. This aligns with government's push for industrialization and economic transformation. So that is another big story there. Ghana slashes palm oil import bill with China deal, and the government is set to save $200 million in foreign exchange through a new partnership with China aimed at boosting local palm oil production. And the deal is linked recently to an agreement that will reduce the country's reliance on imports and enhance self-sufficiency in edible oil. That, you know, Jojo camera family put popular Kono tatala fuma acho ka ba ya wo jagbagba alove wo da shi agbara te kenya goma sese ikele Ghana dukɔ kple China dome be amiɖuɖuwo yiwo ke míenɔ dodom tso gbeta dukɔ me ƒe dɔdɔ na adidi kpɔtɔ. Mímanɔ míaƒe gawo zema kɔ nɔ didɔm tso gbeta dukɔ me shayo ngena fi ne míamiwo dɔm tso gbeta dukɔ me anana be gaviwo ke le míasio dzi míanɔ zazã kɔ míaƒe dua tum ɖɔ eyina ɖe gbeta dukɔ yiwo ke gbɔ mi ami mawo ƒlem tsoe. Ke video ko dze be wonɔ anyi na mia eyi ɖe gbeta dukɔ ta China dukɔ elɔ be yewoakpe ɖe Ghana ŋuti alebe wova he mi le ami ɖuɖuwo ɖaɖa me aleke ko míawo ŋutɔ míaƒe de kple deƒo le yi gbogbo ɖe míaƒe ŋuto me gake mímete agbe le dem evɔ míaƒe ŋku nyɔ na agbledede wogbɔna emɔɖaŋudɔwɔƒiwo zage akɔ kpe ɖe mía ŋuti le agbledede me alebe edeku kple tɔ ami ɖuɖuwo katã yiwo ke nye amiwo yi ke mítea zãna kɔ wo katã ɖe age fiwo alebe Ghana dukɔ si wokpo xoe de me se be ne mia yi ɖe dzi eye nusɔsrɔ̃ yeyewo va agbledede ƒe mɔ yeyewo va emɔ yeyewo zazã va ye mi da gblegble ye amitɔ hebɔ ɖe míaƒe dukɔ me míawo ŋutɔ míte ŋu kpo emɔwo ke trɔsi le amiawo ŋkɔ yi ɖe gbeta dukɔwo me. Ega $200 million ye ganɔ míasi vam akɔ míaƒe dua ƒe kelime vam eƒe sia ƒe $200 million ye míanɔ kpɔkpɔm eƒe sia ƒe. China dukɔ be yele kpekpe ɖu hele klaro be akpe ɖe mía ŋuti wotsɔe kplɔ ɖe agbalẽ dzi woda asi te ta mi mekpɔna China dukɔ be ŋugbe yi ke wodo na mia nava me. Alright, mlebatɔ nye Stonebwoy is still here and we said a lot about that already. Alright, Ewenyigba TV ƒe Ŋdi Wɔna dzi ntɔni magbe míakplɔm ke gamesu be miade míaƒe adzɔɖo +233242670 yenye nɔmba yi ke wodze be miazã +233242670 yenye nɔmba yi ke míate ŋu azã akɔ de ŋu adze ɖoɖoa me kple susu be míawo hã mía awɔwɔna nye kpli woe wɔna wɔm enye kpakpli mia woe wɔna wɔm menye nye ɖeka ye wɔna wɔm ta anyasa yi ke mi tsɔtsɔ ge akɔ ɖo ɖe mi kɔ mi yi katã xlẽ ge ne dua ta mi ge ɖe mía dzi le Facebook, mia ge ɖe mía dzi le Instagram, mia ge ɖe mía dzi le TikTok kple YouTube naŋlɔ Ewenyigba TV ne ate ŋlɔ Ewenyigba TV kɔ miakpɔ ge esia ke ne ke ɖe mia ŋutia you like, you share, you comment, you like, you share, you comment all the time. Ewenyigba TV le YouTube, le Facebook, eme ƒom fia amewo miakpɔm le YouTube, kale miakpɔm le Facebook. Miadi be miaɖo ɖeka le wɔna me alebe le maɖibɔ mana miaƒe gbasio katã na aɖoɖoa gbɔ. Don't dzi be this is the Independence Day edition of our shows. Egba nye Ghana wo ɖokui si xɔ wɔna yi ke edzi madzidzioa miatrɔ ɖe nuto mamlɛwo hã me akpɔ nyakanye nyadzɔdzɔ totiwo le wogbɔ hã le madzidzi moa me tɔtrɔ ge akɔ mi akɔ yi ɖe Youth Resource Center le Adaklu yi ke nye ami yɔ kpi ɖe ko be stadium Adaklu míaƒe dudɔmeka yi ke kpɔna amutoa me katã dzi Honorable James Gunu hã nɔ dzidzɔkpɔlawo dome etsɔ yi ke va yi dzidzɔ nomo nɛ ale gbegbe dzidzɔ nomo nɛ mi katã kple ko ɖe míawo ŋutɔ mía nɔvi Stonebwoy ƒe birthday celebration tata do míaƒe ŋutɔ me dzikpɔla but I joined thousands of music lovers in hope on Thursday night, March 5, 2022 for the electrifying Torture Experience concert hosted by Ghanaian music icon Stonebwoy. The atmosphere was simply incredible as the venue was packed with fans celebrating great music and unity. Together with my delegation, including the Member of Parliament for Ketu North, Honorable Edem Agbana, and the Member of Parliament for Ho Central, Honorable Edem Butusu, we presented the citation to Stonebwoy in recognition of his outstanding contribution to music and youth empowerment. In a remarkable gesture, Stonebwoy also donated 100,000 cedis as seed funding towards the Volta Youth Development Fund, an initiative I am spearheading to support young people in entrepreneurship and other opportunities across the region. The fund will be officially launched on March 7, 2026. This is a powerful example of how music, leadership, and community can come together to inspire and empower the youth. Miap amuga untomejikbola James Gunu ehano jijokbolo domecho le miap Youth Resource Center klada pluma. Mino blom echa le ha kata je gbare mto kata mekle be bion to miap angloviji Livingston satekla ike wazu haji galaga ike konkole hika kata meglogodo eno Ghana eno eho echo egale ho wona yiji choho kaka mfoki afi do vision we ke satekla ikenye Livingston Stoneboy ena 100,000 Ghana city ho 1 billion bo no cho dare kevime boko kpere miap sohio jojo una na tuturo la wona nya wona to here ke le 7th of March ikanya cho ikegbona memory na ikegbona o wona daga tuma alove obia amuganto me vi wo ntapo kata ble dopo ashicha dopo kata le Ghana ble gbe hika kata bodo bebo ko ga ovi akokpere mi avion chi aba me okesi adang don kyo le ke wotenwa ko atumia pontomoro okpukwa kperem kastung bebe cho enya banto ashinaga gamang tanku ga 100,000 enya guy kastung boy na cho kwena nyap amuga to magic bola ko dobaga ka bola ga kevi maji da stung boy maroko wajo gamia show enya ga nami ga 100,000 ko boy ko pore so hionchi ka mile toji nya sale ke amoke gumapogala gaya to support young people mianya leke amoga ya okpoga gayo ke yim la ke viom mo no ko pere miancha mi la kuku ina mianya leke sohio akpogo la gayo me ke amagat bio ke no komacho o do motor nya edem agbana ikenye katu no stop sort akpa ha meila edem ko fi potosu hano odomo sa ikenye ko chicha ma chanto me sort akpa ha meila wo we no vivisala odome choke bayi miakpo nyayo ke miapa honorable James Gunugbo afinya so yingo la wana la ndokochi
His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, Volta Regional Coordinating Council, the chiefs and the good people of the Volta region, especially the young people of this region, to wish you a happy birthday. Yeti Jibasa, now. Yeti Yahoo Mau, Mama Nubabana Lamasa, Apokadrika, Nagari Akla, Auaya. So, there is hope for you. There is hope for the young people of this region. We are going to launch the Volta Youth Development Fund to support young entrepreneurs. We want to build more Dangotes in our region. Down near Mafia, Anyakla, Kalakpakletu, Honorable Adam Agana, MP for Ketu North, Honorable Adam Richmond Kofi Kotosu. Viva! Viva! Viva Kotosu! Viva Tulagba! Abeta Yabonu Nanai! Honorable Adam Kotosu, Adam Agana, our president.
Yo, me that burn me up Honorable Regional Minister James Gunu, but a chakabona who are there one at Benimato Kenya, Kavi Yahu, a Gakavi come a Gajolo, Querento, Wajo Bombom, or Coperniapo Soho, Toto Yoka, Ashicha, Ruada Latamano, a Rashi Champo Loshi, but Okatausu, Interpol, I check over James Gunu, and na Bubu, them a better banner, Miap Stone Boy, outstanding Stone Boy, Oliver Stone Boy Hackberry, Mianchi, La Untoma, 100,000. Ta Mila Toji, me saw him over there's hope for the youth. Mokpokpo, Lina, Sohio, a Chomalina, Sohio Kata. Apoba Jijo Gade and Miapa Regional Minister le Chopper Warnam. Well, we wish you all the best, Stone Boy, and politicians so Negaova, Minamia Lake, Amokara Gauchi, Miza Gauha, Ya Chopper, Amaunchi, Abaleke, Mi Blomain, Blasusube, Ngoi, Navana Sohio, le Miapa. All right, me I my joy online. Me I my joy online. Me akpo kawe nye enyaje jotocho kele afmaha India my joy online. Me my joy online. Kawe nye enyaje jotocho yo ke le my joy online India. Ke ni mu chof me vai the city. Me gwa jamba fio ke tapo nyaole ikebe na mize yi bora. Kokoko mia kakajina mia shiva mi tung nya jokata. So let's look at what we have in my journal. China, US prepared Ghana to halt. So ne yafmat you are champion gonyaro to cover Ghana which no okwelafuma ila shinya manchimire city city news. Mahama integrity must lead. Mahama integrity must lead Ghana's national reset. Mahama integrity must lead Ghana's reset. Okay, so we have that there. Closac snaps NLC warning, insists on March 9 strike. Okay, Closac ikenye dollar yokel nyapa ntoma kula mo jipopome ogbombe yo biji hama blom jirufa takba haika si won do sele okbo dollar jiru dollar jibi nyaojia yo masamo. All right, Ghana Air Force takes delivery of first Airbus H175 helicopter from France. Okay, Ghana for badagbo ka jo to yam oko yabobuye ye covenant amon foncho nyare ka ncho jimi kata ya foncho jo ba mi oba na na jojo yam ya play se wa broni beto ta bo ya yamobuli yo jebe za he. Okay, US, UK, China pressure Ghana to stop gold royalty hike. NLC orders closer to cut off nationwide strike set for March 9. Jurek Bona Nanejim Ogbogulombe Yo Bagwajega Ato Aroshi strike Ika Ojibe Yoji. NLC National Labour Commission will go, but no, you don't do that. Don't go on strike. Kaka Padioba Yoigakwe. That's that. Rice, mackerel, tomato puree added to Land Transit Bank. Okay, minya oma joge molu ti tomato ble gangbi me pa o be yo achiroko jibe mo ga no choncho beta du koma kono nya fa bi oji to awono mo ji so ma va no imo. So mi gagara nya ma Sama Youth Warn Chief over alleged interference in clay mining. Sama so gbogbo no fo fia ba attention play ale ke wo ndem yo fo kama Kenya anyi kuku alo anyi de denchia attention play. Don't cut down cocoa trees over price drop. John Jumalo Kenya to don't guy Kenya Berempton make up on a pack with the Yaji Bomba. Oh, you're the cuckoo na cocoa but the Rabomuka Mukuko Chiao there cocoa for ashi for the dita or other galamse pulao. Mama directs buffer stock to procure local rice for all schools. Mama go grumble buffer stock 0.1 corner agreement quick fio for pleur wo troja jack alo mama ne Ghana to call but no fule Ghana molu yoka tocha shimba no choko na sukuvia na agbadaro na kpona na ngugu hana bona sukuvia. All right, Ghana signs debt restructuring agreement with Belgium. Ghana for ashi ko dagba le tekla Belgium to ko onya wona ikoko be no ko lavu ga khekhle enchi ko jijire jio ko kuke o mo kata ole mi agbofia yo ganyi fo makodon chichipiare na motrova na makpekpo wa garage nyalbo mi atam funyawma mi nyawo droge mi nyawo ma droge ba tamagete para ko don kujibo Ghana ko do kushi hohopon keke pe ndi ona tohe nya jim la pe mbativi toni magwanya mi aklon nya pa damu nya pa nchocho no kata no garama la +2332426707773G mai vie ma ba maga kasho TV amu.
Jealousy everywhere. Mon Dieu, quand comme ça faut, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, quand comme ça faut, mon Dieu. This is way they see so. You know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Aqua woto menya wone upa for jojo kojomole. Nuka bakba menya wanya ya. Hey, Dadavie, the kawa womega value. Bofobile de fulfill Dadavie. Which can life be this? Which can life be this? Oh, hey, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu. See, this food where they chop for mouths, it they pain them, they do say so jealousy. When they walk out for street, it they pain them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, quand on s'en fout, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu, quand on s'en fout, mon Dieu. It's like what they see, so you know, be like they say the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Aqua woto menya wone wopa for jojo kojomole. Nuka bakwa menya wenya ya. Hey, dadavie the kawa womega value. Bofobile the fulfill. Dadavile dadavie. Which kind life be this? Which kind life be this so? Hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu. See, this food where you chop for mouth. It depend them, they do say so jealousy. When you walk out for street, it depend them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey. They go they spoil for back, so they say they love you. Hey. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, quand on s'en fout, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, quand on s'en fout, mon Dieu. It's like what they see, so you know, be like they say the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Aqua woto menya wone wopa for jojo kojomole. Nuka bakwa menya wenya ya. Hey, dadavie the kawa womega value. Bofobile the fulfill. Dadavile dadavie. Which kind life be this? Which kind life be this so? Hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon for mouth. If they pain them, we go see so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, if they pain them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, the sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, mon Dieu, quand on s'en fout, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Quand ça faut, mon Dieu. This like way they see so. You know, be like they say the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother, no they trust brother.
Yo, miape nukpolo akpe gande na mi be mi wo de kaplin le bo ngba ti fe ndio na ji wa sere fifi atoni wa mbo enya miaplon gagam de miafe enya mejo wo na ome ke nye amakope tohe de ka ele gbonye hoho honorable akpesuka ikenye nyamdala ne NPP elegy bonye ke bi enwo majoge gba fun ga ka afi mi agare nyam jojo ma ojibi mi akpo mfore ke mi afro to kopla gbanto Kwame Nkrumah po nya gbanto ke nya gbaro lugole ngana Kwame Nkrumah on the 5th of March 1957 or the hologram fi young in Black Star Square ba Kwame Nkrumah aglo apon miaro kujiba Kwame Nkrumah play nchimo matonro iko you know big six fear onya maroko o led that prison ono prison alaba okode shiba onya me okanu magbene hunyaro ke yiji ikanya assaults lootings and demonstrations le fike le agbema fike nye airport shell airport shell kaka bona ve fi kenya stadium egba small katan demonstration oji alabo yevu for fiasa hoho no ma ogba fiasa o fomo le fiasa o ma numa evana be o two dada wona reje kona be Christian box shooting that o the two alabo atipo that long term Wellington amaton o the two le interchange mata na chokpa magbona kwa pobe am yingba ton yo open no tata gala fuma ta ne ya don kujina kuro na yapo na oro a koshira ke ba yima miapo vice president yi ministry of defense wa da bubu pomoto yo ke nyam yo kenye amagbagbo yo kenye dijime vio ne amaton yo ke ogu the Christian ball shooting meta Christian ball shooting ma ikenye demonstration alo aglaje wona ike iji bibi po wona ike iji laba mocha chale siriki jobe vuno rashidu kontina mi yevo mi rashidu kontina mi yevo mi rashidu kontina mi ye konkonko ina ba independence declaration vakaba. So it's just a 1 week interval. Christian ball shooting, arresting of Nkrumah and the rest, sending them to prison, and the high point of their release and the announcement of independence. That means the depuis que mi ayo polo ground la maimo alo black just me kan kuma to ba nya kala nyamo jecho
at long last the battle has ended. And Ghana, you our beloved country is free forever. From now on, there is a new African in the world. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Now I want you all, those who have hats on, to take off your hats and let the band play our national anthem. And from now on, that national anthem is the national anthem of the Gogo to be played on all occasions.
All right. Mia for the couple of banto. Osaji for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Independence Day address. Yemao. Now, Honorable Richard Akwasuka Weizon va Ewenyigba TV for Special Independence Day program aje Weizon.
Tony Mazolango. Former Kaibu Mao form.
Me force sindi.
There was a Ewenyigba platform aje. The Dole region it as usual nya ma blocker we ma do bena nya selao banto evelia a don kwina enu kpola opi obi egbe mi dasi be mi atomo de sia dem mi awo Ewenyigba TV one of the biggest media house within and beyond Wuta region. Omaga amre blue. You know mi atomo de sia mi ado alo Ewenyigba TV. Mi ato ya ka jira mi de konu Ewenyigba Wɔna wo nyepa bi nya jire na tukọ vuvu e wa ban wala zu be aku de kale Ghana nibaji because na edole Ghana be tukọ vuvu wala o ma ula dodo akova be mi obom ye mi le Ghana mi temi project nya pe de konu ku nyepa bi o ye moyo nu mi atema atu ake project nyepa de konu ku nyepa bi e bo banto enye media akene ma o di be Ewenyigba TV va do le Ewenyigba dikwa nya to mo de sia de nya do ale nya we no anya one of the biggest platform le Ghana and beyond name ni na banto akodo be na wodola opi wo ha because that Ewenyigba mega for opi wo le do ganto wo nya sala opi wo
Akpe Honorable Weizon. Miapo mkporo konya sala egba mijiwe wona ha nanu to twi mi achambubu daga mona wona miji mi agere mi ape nyado yo ke du kopla gmanto Kwame Nkrumah gba e mo foma majibe nyagogo alanku de Kwame Nkrumah video nchi nyamaji ma hia na sound akamiji ba mkporo na alanku na nan ba the video mama the independence of Ghana is meaningless until it's linked to the total liberation of Africa in Banto. Ta fi aba wajibi agloba Ghana for do kwishia video malamo alo gom sase gobiara kama lamu chodu malamu nami ma chia mi apo do kwishi Africa Katago before the official. There's a new African in the world that is capable of fighting his own battles. Africa. Toye yara la meibo, bibo bichu ba meibo. A meibo ye ya delifia, yike atwa wento favu. Ke Abraham the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Anyaton, imagine nyachole iponkome. The black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Amebo into atakota na ipanya. Now, video yake bia mala na mi lanku de video anwa. Akokoga Nkrumah bele yonchi mo ole fugume. Kaka fugu yo do Manya bola gbeto nyodo. Fugu ya na TV aja mara ku me da video ya TV aja. Fugu ya ke le screen aja. Na ijogbegia. Na amado fugu ye onya botale ya. If ya mama enya common. Amagbole is a normal person. If ya how do na fugu abo jijina no abo gan fly. Ano na nchi enye efia how da efia how at efia ta do fugu abo mawo aduro no no yiwo mawo alabanya kpokho no otabo tohe adetue ta ile fugu do ma nkuma bia ba ya plenty mokata yo no to commonest costume ta fugu ya ke gbome mi le fia go ma shi how no do fugu buda shakura you wore the commonest one yema kpom le la aka odo awute wi ro te la bonya maka hobota bo wa to ma chemo. That's the first thing. And let's take it from there. 3 important things. Nkuma pofu ya no do is a commonest thing, and Ewa Blombe, the African is capable of managing his own affairs. The African, the independence of, so we are going to start that one, managing our own affairs. Honorable.
Tony.
Me will overview your independence. Have we managed our own affairs well?
Tony, Akbar. You have Enyagba, Enyama Enyagan to Unyo. Be the midterm, you manage resources so Alumia Dokeo, the Enya Kwame Nkrumah on the 6th of March 1957. Vai. No, na a down kumi. And I be yes. Le boalom la Ghana mishi le shishi le efemahu la mishi va do eyi yale ana adam kuda akwabi cho eyi ma Kwame Nkrumah ha for independence nya population can make the 5 million we a little bit over 4 million et our population le shishim ele kakam ta akwabi cho ma the population wise Ghana va kakata iji ebi gbugbo management. Man, if you have about 35 million, almost 35 million population as compared to those times. Akpada Kanima, na eva those days are probably nyapa education. Pre ne compare plififie. Vofoto to gede vama. By then la nye dila o kolundodo kraha amobo dola savole e koma afi high school. The mouse the mouse distance was after school dikraha let them come la pe de ho e ma ka hanya e mo hanu na magada obo obetem de school emi top e kama dalakpa nie fie ha bobo the traditional authorities o play vital role nya pa duwonya wo ma le eyi ma akene va kwe de va compare fifie la ala ko bi abi mi va de fie ha bobo la Gadela duwanyawuma. The sense in maybe me and now if you have active politics to how. By those times la, I could if you they play a very vital role near duwanyawuma. Talk about dalakba civilization but
your master gonna be fear in what lucky fear no them dunyawuma. If you are do come onya fear like
Ow. You see, during those times, even before because of independence, Medina too much political. Just say it as it is. Probably a year ago, this Kwame Nkrumah by then, evacuate the JCB. Oh, if you have a balola, because by then, before the independence, traditional authorities, they have a major role they play. As a government. Then before Nkrumah, I'm talking about after independence, proud to independence, after independence. Okay. If you have done never done quality, if I told the certain defy all la decision makings. You see, by then, if you even before any government, I take decisions, so they go involved now. If you among them, even like minerals, na efiale government like ya take those steps so la they involve the chief, they consult them na by let a salon
like le mo kan like le ko woni do pe na over parliament alo do you know bolo pe sia sauma
no it is two side issue it's either be what you will ball open traditional councils or traditional areas or alo most at times what acto over the caster by then caster you know dealing with more the time and then Flagstaff House those rules they have a vital role they play in the administration of this land.
okay
that aspect hanima but if you have a ball which is having a big effect near local governance because come had dara akpai education from proud to independence la education na compare biara to get vama in every aspect in these few aspects yola we have been able to manage some of the affairs. The bigger fish, resources, are we still managing it as our own? Allo, still, you will be over the Nedi, Omega, and we got managing it. Look, Mama, this 100% accurate, they still are managing your resources.
Manage our own affairs. I'm manage your own affairs.
If you don't wait up, whatever, you have Musala, you focus on Muji. As a woman, you have Musala, I will be your Azen, not to act beside me. I will be you. Your first no meal, Alina, and when me as Zelani, and when me as Zetuniki, and when me as Zelani. Many manage you to every aspect, many purpose no model. Na first school the young woman. That can first school the young woman fly Krahara. Ala pobela, mi va o ye vous wana over the education sector. I said that is one aspect. Let that resources to outside Krahaya. Ye Krahaya oh bobo mi yingwalem. Because if you like me to me gold my inside Ghana oh percentage them if you miss the last regime you increase it President Hamaba he have a increase we are holding about just 50% of natural resources. In those aspects forward we are still lingering very low. We're looking at that by now that after 69 years ela ite palo bio fifle mi nupo mo e shi yenu dume viole no ko na otoni magbo bi ma lo bi ale for me 60 years me 69 years ela nyama se numa te palo ela yigbe school ye de wa yi kra ha do no Amolole, le fan of even voter with the parole can ma vivi mo kahala. School parole la up to now, ye view ani ba ole kapelo nso. School ole la yigbe. School view ole teacher ole no school afie no the view la. And the whole school la teacher ole school wa maton. Over me we was 60 years, 69 years, yes 70 years over. Me managing your to me affairs. E egwalo me manage o. E me mama vivivo. Politicians will call Baba Akpadanto. Let do be le Ghana die. Christo to a trosubola play a Muslim tola. The cow wall le miema. Gake ever do a la mi diri nya ko mama academia nya dokema. Evo mi chi ngole nya kufu nya dokwa awodeka. Ima kwa mi kuma golo speechman. They have in Ghana near independence. Adodo kesi no la. Ele in Africa to ko fiola atema po power deka. Ka kenyo nya Ghana gela. Eba do yi ya la. Abobalo die be ya ko mama ava Ghana. Akpada kanima. But go me first school nya odiho. Up to now, we believe the like school salola. The vialole. What de fear. O for do komu mu kra ha. O menye. Ele nya masenuma. Afo nde nya manage resources so do ni ma culture resources no nani economy resource big bowl no nani kakani school shall fela de comme ni mana fiam la school ta de viale le fifi la toni ma awo ko na be ala secondary school ala even ya university salole de vialole ne kwa hadas na be no kwa hade ma ko nya wo
ye suku je wono fiam mala
e be Australia school
e chi fofo na yin
e be no be na fiemi la school
ako chira ina maka nanka
ha ba me fa subo electrimi solima electrimi muslim subo electrimi polis muslimi o pafame cho vijene ye ko fi ovio ale o jira do kere
ta me bia mo su kwale o ina chi fofora yin fiagala la ko me na cho tropo me o fion trom e bia malo
school ha wat ma fi because na you school
let Islamic people ala subolo o fiana makrata David ko jana ngo fe Allah akbar ablution chi kopla protoma adogbara David le kemi o yan no ga ajilevi chopo me mi ma hire de kongo o ba isu kwa fi ye fufo suku na ba fi de ko
good ye fufo suku go me go be kan ya manage nya pa first wala ele be nya ko me de ko mu yo ha kwa dama
le suku
o me
pa me de
afama ha ele be nya we mata le be nya to go majeje afama agala suku o me
mo sanya ya ka be wa puchi da nya fi ti popo da yin suku vi le suku I disagree with you.
You can't disagree.
I just wanted to. That's my view. I'm not ready to debate. Le claro be ma hanya flo. Par kuma go blono be nya I disagree with you. Nenye de kong no jivile de kong mako. Heviare de kong no jiviare Islam. Heviare Islam. Nenye Christo to redevia de Christopher moje moy keji o to cho me. There are so many things we can do with school.
You see, that is where you are getting it. I'm not debate you on some your community. That's where you are getting it wrong. The view spend a few hours laugh at Metlooji Lao. We spend all time in school.
Achieve for a meeting and you.
Monday when you join the for laugh at Matwegato. School of theatre. Let you go feel like School of Art and Culture. I'm always Chicago as well.
Family level. According to Christopher, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. How many minutes Jila a week GV GV Lakmo Kaka for ton after Jesukui a chief of Forani as trivial and simple as that, an issue of faith. Give a tap feel the Biamoto de Vimo, teacher Domoga.
Look how Blebe, teacher, how I feel at school.
Munko Blebe Jilana feel a home. I will foundation
Jilawe, if like a game Leniki, Vinoma Lebono. Vinoma Lebono.
I wish she did Yaji, and go off his school.
Now, send your argument, Vinoma Lebono. I put throw half in your Vagonia. As a woman, if I throw half in your Vagonia. Eyi kamala po de melo ma ma ko de vai de school la ma wo be nya ko curriculum nya ko nu fe fi owi to go mejeje ale ni ko fi school ale fi o ye vu be de okay no so ayo and the sia de kwele ye vu be ni nya ko e ma ha de nya ko curriculum o me e se ma ta ko de o do la school
anya ku kekele ma
ba bre be nya fi la fa mo
anya ku kekele ma Ghana's first constitution 1990 to constitutional. Ghana because a secular state. If you have me for that's banto, play Jesus me if you can 1992 constitution. I hold them on no member. Do secular state. If you have a machine, no subo for more labor. I never fear a chipo for anya. I do not fear Quran, Allah Akbar wo. If you have me, Hanababe, Niatos Legipo, Continaba, Ablodema. To associate me pay that up home. Let me use there are important things to do with our education. And I go say,
okay, religious and moral education, let me no matter all the religions will improve on it. Improve on it.
Okay.
Because the education you corner all the vote or her ever surpass ever the common
but maso nyamalo ke do hi pore mi na wa ye toto bo nya bonala religious and moral education league theological education league I CR and hali Christian religious study mo katoli in general ekwe mchifufu na nya badudoro nya maware ekwe dade maware yona maware e mawma olivo ho le mi abada konga in my time pick and Yamarodo he called them why
a miss costume example you the Vialolic feel like at age of 18, 19 as she put for the just one as that is just one attribute of traditional as she put how many then the marker the Vialol even trial feel like about 40 years no cover the Delabo Mata Delabo
but more
Mata Delabo I said Gaka no call suit ne you vote on even do ala do adoji ado a charge the photo akwe yes you vuniki of amebo no you tell la Mata Delabo ele nyama senuma eta me afa de komu me avi nyono Vialol up to now ne call evenu ne be ne da alogana traditional food ne be ne da ela sese ne hafi wale esemba because me play you vote ko me kuma na nyama be tai nya manage nyon to nya feso
Ghana bi mata da pom Ghana de kongudo
gebe o le to ni ma
ye vunduru ko dana fia
pasta ne kwena ifla wa de pasta mi on to nyima to me nka spaghetti noodles ye kama la wala de na kwa
ye vunduru
because me ni de ga ne kwa me be na fu
spaghetti indomie
no fu abo no da wo pe ne wa fu fetri dish ne
botowe
ma ala to 2 hours papa we I say because me fa le yevo do ko wo bo plum nyomye to ata le agovovo nu he nyo to me no ko blam de o mi ko independence ka in reality la still me le yevo go bon Tony eto Saturday na epo youth gadel fear Saturday Sunday they are glued to Premier League. We are glued to Premier League. Kakene to Africa League dala na bino ko even to Ghana League dala bino ko gado ma yesi do kan yo e papo. Kakula atai fe 5 cities 10 cities. Ave not even ano European League so.
Ave o no ye vuo for abo popo.
Yes.
Nya meibo.
We toyela.
A hople do to ball for ma mo jimo.
Be dimo apo.
Kana ko to ko play has day.
Ba pe o.
Bando House of Lion.
Ala do re ko Liverpool Manchester. Mais na maka na to me movie industry dala fi feel like do just I mean any movie Ghanaian movie African movie either be na ko feel like ala be do no Esperado ko
Enyaka
ye voto
ya nkono na kai
yes
godera hano na kai
eta no to de mi manage ni to if you look
nyake magona ne
I'm going to go na if you feel like I'm not media houses already Chinese industry movies so you over the telemi toji at translate
ada photo pai
aba action to pai on dey for independence me be no gbegbe ka ke no to me to me manage me affairs we le mama le manage mo le go de sia dem Tony as nyama no ma etade mi wo totoye especially me all the kakwevi the view or this new generation still about me no this voice here for dey ele be no continuously me no fom me nya salao akoko amolo la va nyola lo pa gbe no mi le vo dada wo because ala va do eyi ya le ma didi fu mi to mi afa de kono mi afa resources yo mi manage ala be no go wasi o especially if like la resources yo ma wonu na now tikanya be mi gold oko diamond bauxite yo la we la ojo o ma ga nya sino percentage yo ko mi e ko le mi osi lema eta mi afa intellectual resources hala here la be le mi protect very 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 well.
Okay, honorable ma dakono abale kana janya o ma jujuene aka majibe nya as framework are nya ze jijenware ke mi acho ado ajawe mi troy the independence Kwame Nkrumah nye du kokro lagmanto ike produkoya so okay me that she leader of government business so 6th of March 1957 Bado 24th February 1966 afi Joseph Atta Ankara Ehodua vo kuma kutoka hokuo nye kutoka inongona kuma wokua yevo da bagbona British yevo ba yayi manye du koplola manye administration ye strong da mata be akulo du kaka tu dalanye o kheye nyalo tanatu alebe o khebe ya te agraga jere tu ta ye khudwa kaka ye komne yo do hachi Joseph Atta Ankara bonoklo ikere be vese vene amado Joseph Ankara khudu kokolo buvado 2nd February 1969 kaka Ankara mai ka okodu adachina arabo ogbu na zabe nkuma banye mfitifiti wala nkuma banye zangula kleto Ankara ma corruption ikenye zangudu yetai yento do hachi Afrifa so tu darajibe ne resign ikenye palace school Afrifa khudu aklo kaka gawaro 1972 yo bekana lalade yo ne dako buzia ba buzia yivu varo 1976 alawa Akufo so National Liberation Council Supreme Military Council ko Akufo government yeah Akufo a champion leader in a Supreme Military Council a champion mapa baba ye uboko no troda ko liman ba lima ba na ko no jimu ye jeje ba ka troga da shinchine ba yo gbugbo na komda jeje troba to AFRC va 1979 31st December afi June 4th uprising baba ka to 1989 ma waro 1992 oba how yo hiana constitution jeje dashi so yawo oko batakaredo get electioneer albeit with extreme populist hard-handed nyento mono gbe ma le mako pakafia jeje baba vu achim yo fuchi pipe popi la wofia yo fuchi le tramene jeje no odadora monduma amodo datume amochime just because of his powerful influence and his charisma that he had. Eglobe yele club ya dashi du konchi na mugware ka kachiglinye ma shire kanchine. Egbe point blank. So presidential election or edu bohini no ma parliamentary so MPP manum. So it was a cool job, 100% NDC parliament in 1992. Mileji from 92 we were of here 2000 amakajiba amagremian kosema onye na neviare. Corruption yenye mwika kong ogloba gblale nkurumanchi yenye mwika kong corruption ikana be egbogbo be anu jichi yemala clave ala sidu konchu abo ajimono to come view jom so mi tiago mo chon nkurumaji nkurumade manage Ghana to konye ronko pochenwa
Tony agbe mi le jigbezadu Akenya bieta, maybe I'll just do justice to it. I will do be jigbezadu mi le. Kwame Nkrumah, no, he has become ever one of the most favorite president of Ghana, no doubt about that. Okay, anu kwademe, Kwame Nkrumah coup for hafi Ghana to Africa to he's a good candidate for us. Because no manila ogu wona lo nemya jeji lo onu wona lo tala nkonyo ye le sigela nkonyo mama anosi as a leader. One Ghana to online your name sir your plumbing gake abajisho gbonyalo nyagbodi alele because Japanese o nyagbodi obe power corrupt and absolute power corrupts. Akana oba si avoid
Lord Lighton yeglonyama a British Archbishop of Canterbury British Doda Oko Anglican Church Kenya English Catholic Church o do dale Roman Catholic Church tede o glo na popa ba ale ka ko nsekodo rokujiba nyai ke glo ko machamanasi ye papa ye le Christopher jipiji la English mo ba papal infallibility numa no glo na papa ba de power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. That corruption is the papa Catholic. So it was actually not a political statement. It was directed at the Pope of the Holy Catholic Church. Like politicians over quick or okay, so we can go. Yeah.
It power over name. Ever now, what for the dollar over that? One. Wherever one of the things here, you might want to corruption. Ghana to one of the family do we le du common. Fifi the vivo le du common. Allo le Ghana d'après resources to Zamila, but or Zamto a more new tono. Ekwa kama dalak bay tumevyoba wa bombe eba wa bombe eba do kuye zimle yo jicho ewa bi ka fra yede ka odibe ya non de sia den aya no anyi tegbe 1965 no hin World Cup kraha one of the World Cups one of the world tournaments oza CPP flag kraha the red CPP flag, red, green, and white or so. Yeah. Your Ozaka can represent Ghana. Ghana. They allow you have a flag yearly, name your flag la, but say your party flag. You know your Zambia can represent Ghana. The Kokamada Lakba. Ever was be na enya po our millennia phone toye. If I be a to New Orleans, you are pro. You might draw that straight. Akwa ideal. It move you no. Many democracy in Yima. Many as a pro in Yima. Mahava been lenting. Everybody do what if you have a ballon, Ghana Kraha. And left your law come. They are tongue when you just do, or maybe I would a clear or what. Every day as your enemy. La Baba law. No matter the regime, the military guy, the regime here, no, that of actually is low. To move a family Ghana Bamo. We want a say constitution number Krahan, constitution 1964 constitution in Krahan. Ever will look at the sole president of Ghana. Call the constitution. Please, we be the current constitution, we were the president. Just leave that now, Legama to leave with that adjective to describe who it is. A president, but the president Kwame Nkrumah. Emma symbolically you offend the never kukraha or Kraha. Ya Ubaka, the name there, like the year Uganya, Dukwalaku. My not a mono, without looking at the only president of Ghana. That many people declare to be the only president to you. Like one call or their constitution, be the president and you use the name, the president Nkrumah. If you never kukraha, you come at the Kula, but I'm still Nima. And who are come at the Jamaica constitution, Ako Fugba. Ima. No more than a Dukwala, so just you own, but that back to your or back with the just go. Uchi Lamia Atomo Fuji. Elena de la. Nimia trust in yours, Bubualo. The Ghana to not put your body. Because Ghana tell the Fabi into your own. To come as there are hardships in the country. Ghana told the Fabi corruptionly. When your own girls out, your person was out la belle more to some play your own. Ghana told the Fabi and Bobo, the melody, Ramujamo. Yeah, Kotoka, we Otalo, Afrifa. Please, and Gomukaramina, the Voodoo Karoka have them ever now. When the CIA was strongly behind them. You're the Nkumala. Nobody told the overview. Nobody told Ubila, overview. Nobody there were some cash outs. Like a year, Kwame Nkrumah as a person, there was no Nanaka Omotasi, because one of the common to Hamo and I'm being elected. The code allowed declared who they are SCG. Yeah, Afrifa, the Lebanon, Afrifa backward. No, those times, not down with a baby, ne enya kwiala kulenti o badagbawo wala de wala kotoka man was selfish o no be he was the ringleader yon kwaya di vivo le ka kana o de kwa mi nkuma lala magbere yen ya ababa na yin eti ama bubu be okay fine e wo ha awa be manya susuyeta obi ne ba na ila ya
ankra gba abi afrifa
manya susuyeta obi ne ba na ila ya ka ye o ba tie bi no aba no duonu yo kwene oba na fast forward woo Rollins have all this while Ghana having one regime over one regime la factors here occur the Kwame Nkrumah la except be look at the only president of Ghana la those factors will few way me no hakala be to come le corruption le to come allo except be that single aspect be Ghana the here Kwame Nkrumah the sole president of Ghana anyway. Those were the after that all other reasons here make here. Those are all the reasons occurred there till Rollins regime. Even as we speak now, corruption play even in these democratic seasons regimes. Corruption play now role change of government. Corruption. We make fight you as a nation, because right from Kwame Nkrumah's time, but that's make day million. The just ended election, 2024 election. Corruption played major role campaign season. Example, I trumpet ago a lot be the previous regime, the NPP regime. Now we don't go for the government. They are corrupt. In the first time I say, operation recover all roots. Because we many obala and we are the corrupt absolute. We have recover all those roots to Akwana to call. Right from Kwame Nkrumah till XBN corruption, we are not able to fight it. And now it is even getting worse. The recent Afro Barometer survey, Ghana has dropped about 2 percentage points. The corruption fight case. The removal of the Chief Justice. Because those are the arms of government you are protect, about fight corrupt officials. The OSP, the attack on the OSC a few months ago. No, it looks as though this government is not willing. They are fighting corruption. The discontinuation of some of the cases, the previous cases, Attorney General ever discontinue a lot of cases that were going on. All these cases here were discontinued. They are all acts of corruption. The previous government perceived these individuals have acted in a very model Ghana to call open resources. The new government here, forgo you call that way, and you're allowed to call your man. The fight against corruption, these few months, about 3 years ago, Ghana got dropped. At index, the few survey Ghana got dropped the fight against corruption. Corruption as well as corruption in Ghana has been with us for years, and the government they say the valor. Be at the more say the no pepe ye be a fighting. Kakara long la ni metenya fight you. Ni metenya fight you. It's a canker. You are living no do me viola. Nya chitre nya tenwa atofo nya agbebe okay fine. Ni ba den ki be o. From Kwame Nkrumah time. But that's negela. And we Ghana gba na yiki. No politicians are over while follow them. You put there for them now. But I thought corrupt act so kakedola baby abi I improve and what hunene. Every do me view. Me atema for go political lens. Agba no kwade na amero power at a particular time. No, after them no. Muma na attack this government. They over you be at the OSP la. Me now nya be obo. Me be the afoma me akobe to go get over akobe obo. Me le serious me fight corruption. Muma na the afoma to the Chief Justice la. I'm a good old break. Then I go get the big na be obo afo them la.
Mabona Chief Justice panyare. Me bona egbo bagin. Ni question kama jibe mia answer enye mia kafla amayo kekpo Nkrumah pa mu wo ekwe America kpon kuma plan kuma. Kino. America kpon kuma plan kuma. America kpon kuma pa Ŋdi Wɔna otefe. O kata uzo manga hohovia. Ala ba me 69th Independence Day nya. Tabe no Gio 5th of March 1957 kra as utogbivo. Bale kwenya gonze me akutogbivo. Ta America nyo sohio yokela sukuru no flag alem no na Nkrumah le fuma ba ina yoka for maybe for wieve. Na chopo wieve kokpere for blandre me 18 na mata memory wise yala. Mekajwa mareke gali ke I got no clear history na me feel. That dem yonto me ba strong. Nya ku enwo nya zo gba lo ko mu dali ko nya kala history ikala mu dali su ko ho ma nya ba kala. E mama no mia am no ko mu nya fi ko cho o ma ka nya fi ko yi. This is a big problem. New ya nya problem na afoduko amaibo. Abe nya fi ke nya to gbe o cho ba yi na. Me nya nkele nya to gbe o sho. Ta ye vuto ekwenyo na mi enya gbon la e ko gbon nya malalo la be nya to gbito ko gugu wa yo bo chu nyoche fi ko cho fa ire nyoche binya nya gbogbo na mi le nyoche to ere nwulo akema ha ye vu pa gbani history culture studies peto o le mare be o le mare mi ba khal na school afi mi to gboro pe jina mi belen na ma kero mo ngure dari na mi o de ta problem menana kpom na mi ma yi me gbi ba im stromo a emi mfia mo a ke ma nya fika me ta sigara anya nyi majiba nya gare agba majimya no current mi o ma so much of ni ma nya ba wu na fume taka me bi onya gade ye manya ne is the weighing of the assets and liabilities nyo bravo yo kan kuma wo de mi cho kata ko so de nkuma ekplo Ghana du konyu the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Nkrumah lo mpopo chingbe ekplo Ghana du konyu ya.
But donya ma
we onye scale onye.
But donya ma na dongo ba ibi.
Answer ke now.
Nkrumah o jojo le zitivwe. Ni va pe de jesibe.
E won tefe
alo adamu ele sine Ghana. Gake we yo power. Power ma wo anale yo power corrupts but absolute power corrupt.
Quote my dad, me no being strong. Because source of that quote. Now, Meta AI mezan, you must a history book article. I can make it strong military, make me a make a power corrupt nyama. Let's screen a G. And you must be a milk some autotol of Wasumo. Nkrumah, Bijago Nkrumah, Nkrumah, the African is capable of managing his own affairs. Yoko do call them Nkrumah shake. Plemia may bokatami and Nkrumah, that milk attack a lenchi. Aleke ngo yeji, ale oli daddy. Aleke mba ngo command daddy. Ni atenga globe, Nkrumah, eno monuya de ji na afia. Answer never Yema.
If gonna be, can over power voe. Allo za power. Here na Ghana to do to pull. See, allegations
no,
Ghana resources.
Answer question. The black man is capable of managing his own affairs. About Africa, Yama means a black man. Alabe Africa and talk you work Africa. Many barraco near the vehicle. No, but quotes, many video, my biamalo, my do quote. Now, so ni biamale never Nkrumah manage. Du konyu
na Nkrumah the manage du konyu yi mai o ma adela yeah the evidence efie na be Ghana to me at that point in time o me di Nkrumah anya bi history na me nya be kan o de Nkrumah lai I describe it no people do wo no jamasim no jijodole buzia kotokanti be fiela e de okuke la ole yoji as a nyago manuma do be Nkrumah o faithful salo hala o dojuku kake the niela na ala pe kevin na lo me yuji akwe the most allies Nkrumah o right hand people ame o fi o no nti o finance minister so chief of staff o fi o kra hala o tolo o yoma va Ghana tonti va bonde ka o Ghana tu as a nagoma kevin na lo kokoko yi ji meje Ghana to mu mata mo na o put ma be power corrupt, absolute, but absolute power corrupt. Kana okpo Ghana to okpo enumere nkumama. Yo win the souls of the Ghanaians. That sympathy nani. Kakakana ba ko do whatever. Allo over no do managing over to the but you okpo me. No matter na allegations over nonti.
Okay, but Honorable Mikongmara, the quote is power tends to corrupt, and absolute power corrupts absolutely. And it's attributed to Lord Acton. Now, you were lighting Lord Acton, a British historian, Anglo-Bana wrote the Bishop Mendel Crichton in 1887. And I said that in the political science, man, I don't want to Pope, Catholic for Pope. Where Sakoko de Ruki Ninya de Gopo, no Orient by paper boo, Nanya Pope Nyapunko, the Pope abortion menu, Bebo knows the condom, whatever I knew.
I'm not paraphrase, quote Mark Palema. Every day, Musa, a Truamaboto. I can never Musa. I can never see a glass behind. I got blow Ale Jabami. To paraphrase it,
Musa blame, Muso Kata, Benam, O Alebe, a Nemsa Subopa, I got Benam Mugacho Mau.
At that power ever passive way. What for the Dalloway? Here about the Geo.
Yeah.
All of them cannot overdo this giveaway. Because see, Nkrumah has become president for two nations. As a woman. Allegations or level lenti edoni malo. Then the Ghana Tomia custom will look about Africa country which Jamdo. And allegation no level 20. Gambia also, Guinea also, Guinea. As a woman. On level all these accusations, allegations will lenti. No, okay, fine. Elemepoto gato. Ever about to Jamdo now. Elemepoto, oh, boy, dollar, oh, the one I knock from the arm. But if now all these allegations so nonty.
Okay, so the map here, Mamia Zorango. Aleke Nkrumah je dwa kokro hayina. Hafi ekuwava. Amarenava, ekunava. Amarenava, ekunava. Madialo. Nkai blecho ameibo alo Ghana tonchi. Ikenabe aleke Nkrumah je goma yina. Ni mate ejitão. I'm sure me melalo. That question of Yamian Chawagamian on the phone question now. Nkaina Kotokava Baoku. I can't to come back with Quanto Dowi. Ame Shammaker Jababa Cho Amelka Cabral, Mozambique. Kimati, Kenya. Haile Selassie, Ethiopia. Julius Nyerere, Tanzania. Sekuturi, Guinea, Namandi Azikiwe, Tafawa Balewa, Mamokata, Nigeria. Okata Kureko, Nawoma Wuo, Kaku, Yono, and you're going to say me, Congo, where Patrice Lumumba, Burkina Faso, where Thomas Sankara, Nawoma Wuamao, Kaku, Wone. My second question, the independence of Ghana is meaningless until it's linked to the total liberation of Africa. Ghana podokishi vira kama nomo. Ne dokishi ame cheka wo Africa kata opo dokisho. Fifia akpambe kata mayo liberation struggle so mama Patrice Lumumba. Yakra do wiento chimo wo masabu basia ye klevo wo rekaklo ko wiko. Ope nchila kra o dissolve la acid. Thomas Sankara ke je Burkina Faso tuturo yina. Ya bazu bobo funa bu Thomas Sankara Burkina Faso. Eha do wi. Yento no vya pang. Majibia song in general about Ameibo so it's not really politics yes got Ameibo like Ameibo about the African. Yeah, so kaka mi ko word African man to kra yevu etwena mi. Na ne kebe la fiare ko na ba African. But go ya go say me. E ho bo yo yefa. Ashanti obo yo ashanti o. E gya obo yo ganso. Mara kebe le fiare ko Africa ka Europe ki be nya African. Ayo demarcation ma emaima ye ko chon come na me. So I don't even want to use that name for it. The black. but there are black people currently in Dukoma Ekeko Lola Lenyagbore, Dr. Drew, where you call St. Kitts, blacks all Fuma, Nei Jamaica, blacks all Fuma, blacks all Europe, blacks all Australia, blacks all Hikaba Pashapa. Daka Magogoba Yevu white or Kakari Hamramo, Mille any temperature, Mille any weather, so blacks are everywhere. Now, again, not South Africa, Kata, make Kenya, even Togo for Olympia. Togo American Nongone independence, the Togo Olympia. None of you know me, because Togo, my one for them. Olympia, Yadema, Togo, Kozu, Yofiasa, Yofia, Revisia. Akata, so Monaba, Olympia, Papa, a Nongone liberation struggle. In Kenya, a problem in general. We are moving to Africa.
Tony, see, I will still come back to your quota. Before the quota, your biggest problem in your planning.
Planning.
Planning now. Government, the Sia, the Vala. You have to see a lot of time. You cover. You plan a lot of time. You cover. Now, John Dramani Mahama Bagye. Ebe how your plan in Yeki. Your plan ye ta. Never your plan ye azola. Now down to Akufa Aduba 2017. Obe how your plan ye Koveniki. Ye azola. John Dramani Mahama Bugotrova. You have your plan ye Vaniki. Ye azola. I can never plan ye cover to go Majeje. But then I will come 8 years ago. Yo, Lebina, I may have back road like why? You have no I will buy it. Down to the biggest problem in Yima. Long-term development plan, but the Africa country, like I said, Rwanda, whatever built on some 10 years development plan. Is it about 15 years? Yeah, now I be the trophy of Benin.
10-year development plan on Kumashi. After 7-year development plan on
executing it. Nobody come like Gomi. As a goma, Agbalajira, plan only. Takameniva, Aqua award doy. You know what you. Cut. There's a cut in every term of government. Every term of government, Biala, plan eminent Lagama. Amal Halava, I'm a qualified here by way to Kakana 8 years or 7 years. What time the 8 years school? A joke, and we will hang over. No matter not recently, like the National Development Planning Committee over the now extending the number of years. I local plan will never extending. Tony, well, I mean, I want to feel like a word though. Like a change of government, Dalaga. That's the biggest problem. Here, Africa country. No problem, Banto. Now, Africa country, after I draw a plan, okay, going forward, the next 20 years, this is the plan. Or government take over, you follow the same tone. And you stop dealing with parties' manifestos. They party, okay, your manifesto, Niki. Party, however, they planting for food and job. Bubuvafie, Ebenuka, 24, grow 24. The scores are the same. No, I feel you hang a creve. Lenama Senuma. Aha. Amaleva, Benuka, Nkuko Kitty. Party Alhava, they rearing for food and job or so. You have Coco, Benania. I may have a no, you have a Coco Bune, you have a young Coco Kitty, Coco, you not familiar. I don't know the money Mahama can no come over. A cross Sada there, beneath also. You know, the new government, the government that take over John Dramani Mahama 2017, man. You know, how continue that. You have got over there. They ready for
your government car.
Now that which is my government. You have got different plans there. You about that Akufaro Temu, John Dramani Mahama will go over. Yeah, that two that come over that plan that Malaganasio. Tagana be to call an plan Melanesiu. Party manifestos will call it problem. I like to call our cashew. Because party man forever. 4 years later, then I would now. They're gonna talk now another mandate. I like another 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. Yeah, na amukwade mentonto ha Tony policy ala kamele aton amature aje government today ebie why implement ebie why the do go ebie why have the development ko ebie o na na don kwa kufa do free education policy. It's a great policy for the whole Africa. So me accept that kemela video wa company ma ko video again any video ese nya go ma because if you have village you have high school have double secondary school have university have double have number of video pom to ma if you more resources so na ba no pom ese nya go ma nkode John Dramani Mahama on 24-hour economy 1 year down the line me ko je go mahalako fake up start architecture ese go mata 2 years ye mu ko e de joy ko nyike if you have your baba do e do kama very cooperative amema hafi do wa je ba ko do ma hawo hafi never ta video popole me kaka na yi ma do kwa me kasa kwa President John Dramani Mahama o tema ede no government bu mu have I ha do ho ha mo ko ye plan le so the father no nyale go asi media planning can have go to plan move ko amna to no for good example in the e-block don't do atanos or e-block yo ko we have to school corner school every district so every school get can you have the school out to school now a very good policy no policy man they implement it fully probably school under prisoner me eliminate together ese goma kakedobo vueto kana atanos Mahama what administration do na dan kwa which is my government you have a policy will continue do be school or ever would on you will not continue that particular policy on agbomalo maybe structure on agbomalo policy not continue then you build on it you have back to school go akpelonti e block akpelonti aw ka you ko to plan move concentrate on some schools back of free education is a good policy for heaven etane du ko al Africa Ghana Africa nyate wan nanyim I draw long term plan I mean 20 years 30 years plan come you from this time round I does in the next 30 years government the sia de kekelava alo party the sia de kekelava government you go according to this policy that's now go manuma you go according to this plan la we did before that 20-30 years time adela akobe BMD nya achieve takelenya das le party manifesto nti nya koya no dukọ promi bi emi le kunya na yi because tell we na blamo see this thing about 24-hour economy no be make kasa alemio to le a handle family tapo na nya kwasiketi na nya kwa bitunu ne no make kasa na new government banana dan kwa kufa government big now will come and improve on it. As a woman, improving on it will mean they never call who were on them. The Jama Senoma. If I mean the never call who were on them. No,
hold on. Nyama jibe nya joje ngama labe echo makboba nanado dan kwa kufa rokum. Jo 20 policy am and ida konya yo gbanyewe nana kama nya policy kala optional ba na ya gara policy ama na va anglo bana ke benefits so alo
alo president Mahama
nanado adan kwa kufaro ta majima steady fi ko gonya male cause eglonya is a very current video ba gonya go semi ta ka meka jiba gba mi jiba mi awo ma ma bia onya de mi ga to ga de nyabo me ba bia mbedi Africa kata glogodo Miape liberation fighters so America nungo afi o wovu dokushiva me Ghana de do go ele mo ba Ghana nye ko ke le sub-Sahara alo Japan to mafia abe nya Ghana Togo cho camera ko ka ba de Liberia ajis ma mia nya banto a do ko li okay Liberia ka mo colonize na Liberia ko so me da si Liberia anchi na Ethiopia mo colonize Ethiopia ko that in general no baba Ghana hodo kishigba sub-Sahara many miawe dede ye liberation struggle panya agbogblogomo ba ko nya go semi enye heat alojo hoho eno ye volom le ko pasha pa ke mio nya gbokobe nya toye nya pa mo infakaba dem ye nkruma ko independence na me ba biambere in China Africa kata gudu miao ke gawo kuna meyawo a question I go answer me it about planning lack of planning you is well appreciated that kind of fiamba nkuma pe time plan man on you a question I go answer
do na be implement the way nkuma was truncated by coup asegoma the new
America Cabral akwere Mozambique Patrice Lumumba Congo akwere Sekou Guinea okata wo kuno kan nkaina because nkuma banya benebe we the whole of Africa must be independent. Now we have started the process. Miao talk
to call up you the ongoing do this is planning long-term planning like it affects the whole of Africa. The whole of Africa. One aspect kunyima every greed. Dokuto medidi. But all the African countries your cool dollar. How long your president was it you? I know the always differ about 20-something years, 30 years. That is still
Africa Bola Khomeini Ayatollah Ali Khomeini ke Owen Chole Iran was 36 years.
Their system is they have a president, then they have that leader.
Okay, they have a prime minister.
I said, the system is different. Africa now go. No, Africa yet on I said, greed.
Me greed nya gbe Tarufia by Ayatollah Ali Khomeini ya bele greed yiwa. Queen Elizabeth yiko Jim de Vie kwenye queen manya abonyi chok manya bo queen hakuna.
What system day? No, what system day is the queen family is like a monarch, it's like inheritance. It is for the family and the family solely. No matter Elizabeth Jola, Oko Evie, the Russian prime leader Evie, Evie, so their system they have a way of going about their own system. We practice a different system from theirs.
Never call Africa me fion ha o de na oda. So how is that greed? E bia malala.
Greed be President Alele. E to hanya de sibe yo du come viola yo no na tiwo.
Okay, very well.
O le be ni ajo. No ajo. Ala ne ako basa akove.
Okay, my
Burkina Faso.
Eyiga kakemre. Afia ready, majima sana gomro. Afi yevunava aba acho sell ikanya quota so ako ado du koa. Junoni.
Yes.
Du fiao no miachi. Le mia da efia. Mia o kudna fia. Ya ejemian. Dake du kopola va du kopola noni obo aponyi amede kana da ya no na varia ga iwe a bo basa sabi na mi anya ko so efie no na yitegbe
efie etovo na presidency efie we is amaglo we ebuto be bishie enu no drop o asegoma and no population to tegbe. It rotate is between you and
what father on activity. If you want to go like order na for paroma.
Yeah, I don't feel that what that for para for na di. Aha. That come actually o fiare nye fie family feel like never make do me. Nye fie me ko do gan o fie. But ani party ozi. Me la try ani party ozi me la try be gele to bubu wa fa mo. Asegoma. It is our soul our bona fide property. But the presidency, it is constitution. It's a constitution is binding you. When you be, you go to it. That or you call dollar. I said, "Mama, you see me with dollar be annually for 4 years. Me have got now another chance. Then you voila ajo. Recently, I probably met this government. Me our politics go. The story are flying around the current president. Why another thing? Yet the party must talk how we never see anymore. Because a semi collector. That if you zikbera, because no one never come here. America ko mo na ko de ye ka ha na physical they go to conclave. I was selections. Apa America o je ni akwa na do bra ko mi ko kaka me kama kwasa akwa we gbe o nyere ka ko yo. Be na ma se no ma. Ya na was selection apa America je ni akwa na. One man I was sorting akwa wo ki fa e ja ma e je ni akwa na me. Ma ta ko physical o ka ho nya o ye po. Da me me je no awa du. Ya ko ko ni. E mi ko kama dalaka. That's the great aspect of some leaders. You have to Africa develop. You limit that continuous coup d'etats are occurring in the Sahara, the African Sahara area.
Ma bien analo. Ma bien analo. Ni ko jimbo dielo. Nkola honorable which akwasuka ike nye abubaraka le NPP to fo dunya hama ike bakpambe agara sota hama le norton ntome ike ganye nyangala na ho amugang to makata nyangala do motoreka agba ife munya aba make strong yitaw le mia boro mila English plan people mo tawo wa jembe mi ala mo English plan people kwanya mia strong magogulomba na do GFC on the 6th of March 1957 gbe ba Ghana ko do pisha de ma azu magahoho alozu nyaga hoho akutogbe ho ala ba pandre ma pareka ko potoko ho pandre pa blandre 70 ta ezo meshishi ta sohwero kano gbe konkuma umotenya otogana la bo si gara ni mitra maga wo mi nya bia mo ko susu o mo ga no nwa ro lam afia ba ehia na mi agba sohwero mi atroba sun to fi ke mi chu tang so so banya o le bibla dadi ni o lo o ba le ida mbo mo wo mo ko ba bo mo ko gbogbo ga ka bi so o ba mi chu mo je bai ko kame ko gbogbo maybe fa lo fa ton ko nya ba mi le ka mi so aje mi aso jo fi ke mi chu kami mo jung ba ro fi ke nka tutu tue na ba ku kong alo ku anya benya agbata ko na tutu ada mara alo wo wu ama de ka wo di da le shiji elagbe do crowd do le shiji ka mo gbo ka fa gbo yibon firing squad o court martial o datuo ye ona bogbomba bandodo bele mi asi glogo na Africa ko si kembe mi ayo valia anya do kwitoji yo ka nke na fi mi ho fiao we mi akoplo tegbe deme ga ke du koplo la we mi akoplo tegbe meje mi ahwe demo nke na fi amebe ya go se mi ala be le more ma ko be nfafia de do paji be abe Jomo Kenyatta enye du koplo la gbanto ne Kenya na yi ma elena takuvia rashi plachiklo akobe takuvi mo le dadan plachiklo mo le rashi a edifia fa mu ona video yi kemi popoma Kwame Nkrumah do batakari kaka choku kwa record ji o le takuvi o rashi o yo na be charisma mi okata akporo mi ko papoba nanelong nchi that is charisma Congo for Mobutu Sese Seko okata kuku o do na lasin lajo ko mi okata ko klaro ri ko abeke efia onye ne bale enya go se Nkrumah ntope nufu abado fiare ko nufu pa mo na to baba nye du koplo aka aga mo abefia ne du koplo na ojo ntegbe ena ba do fito jiche mema all right ke chokpiaro gali na gawo enwe yo na yo plan man onyi na Africa corruption mema afoncho corruption chi afoncho greed nchi do kwito chi ngwaro gali ke kanye Africa fa puhe ke nya temre to fifila na jijo mi to chogere yam gware ko pa ba gbo nchi agara nyaro kami gere du nyaro ngala ba nya taw nya ka gronte gluta ojena na tore majina.
Let me that's long plan play greediness in it. The Western forces so open influence. The Africa G is also one of the reasons.
The Bogombe Emi Horokushia still got the Magdinami about Blamla.
In every aspect, Tony.
Quel do chemical do Kushifia?
Not about the poesy la advantage pour mieux que la dongo. Donc donc bien do poesy mbeni ko advantage la mi ko do poesy non. Ka tala go de sia de mala ye vo ko gala mi ko. Tony ko fifla agi mi le Ghana mi aka economy mi be stabilize enjoy. IMF conditionality so yo. IMF ye vo yo. Ye vo ha wo boy. Mi Ghana to mi ko mi ko buy them. I mean, the dollar fill your volume, small boys. Small accountants. Accountant back all the Ghana how
economy
sorry. As a woman, you call accounting side and the lack back. Now, be able to feel like maybe I will as a Ghana be our salad crahan. Name your they didn't know health now. Crahan. And the World Health Organization, what that's lady. The now was a man. You mean if I be okay, fine. Me back for them, say, okay. Na about true, no, Otalo, right to a champ, right to a Sabalatin and Prahan. And the World Health Organization, what does the name? Coming attack when you're the middle. The local cinema. Tony,
my answer.
Aha. You know, God will do what to have before. And we come after football sector for heaven. We call football sector for heaven. You have to call Mamlao representation here aussi. No World Cup, but Africa see. And all talk for Home Africa am yet. And I say no. Aha. You will allow a big get on what your dog will be oil.
Oh yeah.
Ojo le fu de. Na yi parliament egbe emi enu fo mi. Ghana mi be Ghana mi lero. Ka kene o enu fo mi egbe ka do mo.
Ya wu gbe ya gbe kene bono do.
Ogo e bi e ko kwesi no no.
A o do nyanchi na gbe kene bono
Ya
do.
do mi de gbe o.
Egbe ka.
Egbe bele mi si. Gba akule mi si. Egegbele mi si. Abusa gbele mi si. You try last year, World Language Day. World Language Day, lo. Yo obey parliament some time or la no you mean on the parliamentarians. Obo decide you do near dead ball gama. Oh just within 1 hour I go for open.
Enye mi yen ku here. Boto su ho gbedon. Aponyo ma ki fanti gbedon. Mu ta ka dagba ni don. Leko ga fa so no.
Look at not me those school me I'm always school na Zulu.
Babiamo do babiamo. You have been university. Don yanchina na nya ma agbana ba kan ro gbedon. Anya go se me. Bagbian to no ire fumare. Leko ga fa sa goma o chonwa na cho.
Mata le interpreter na go gana.
Interpreter de ke beka to ko la ko beka mo tuge.
Ela dem me na mi court. Na you court. E be me say football. Ya do bagba. Na do bagba, o be beka e de ado.
Lecture baba dabian yelo. Lecture babian yelo.
Na bagbi me.
Ke de magba na do bagba. Ame ake si agbeka se go la re to mo bagba se go la. Beka do go la na bagbi, afi bagbi na se. Ela do be bagbi la se go me ne bagbi. Dagba ni be. Dagba ni do ke ne bagbi do dagba ni. Tobo ke gbeka do wala afi apanyo makina se go me fanti me.
Ela do be apanyo maki se me. Ela be
ka mama la fuma ke gbe o kata go mo dem. Egbe mo kata yi kenye wo degbe fofofo ya o. Kobo la fuma, enzima la fuma, dagbani la fuma, mamprusi mankuri o li gbogbo wuli. Egbe le Ghana ona be bo egbe alofa ne. La devo ne ile Ghana. Ka mama de machine nya go ala galo gbeto nya go ala.
No matter that, I'm all the school egbe bobo from la. Ese goma. na the me I employ am on high dog him and create na wa ha nya do me degbo and the kai speaker bagbe mono abota ko na yi be kana over speaker of parliament the first the 8th parliament ebe na no quote domo they are done made in Ghana wa fi agya o de ko no ese go mana e we the 8th parliament the next parliament here ha ye ji ko gala wo afom motata o nwe to ni ma ese go ma
enya ba ni keta na ne kai ke hava vil Africa kata isi afi yevuna gar Africa ava adunia jia ejebe kpongonwo na no yin na Africa le Africa kata gogodo ala me igbo tuko ala me igbo ngba aji ke yo me le Africa gba ejebe kpongonwo na no yin otato there should have been cracks in Africa's path of civilization for the white man to easily penetrate. Ne mionto pochocho mele mionto mianchioa mele bobo be yevuna gare miado avane nye majore anglo bashantia odum de gbagbaglota ina tara manche etisen waro nchoko epo enyefuto nai. These are the issues I want us to confront. If you come over don't fear anya ba my nko ga gba ka NDC to ba nyandela de ka gba it's about the fire final radio jikona na ngro gba doma angro gbe fia agbale ko fonwa abole nyen popochi nwa angro gbe a echona na awu bodoma gba kakanya basrona me ta na bodoma chochobe wo kra me bo degbe ka do yo jamba ma jibaklo ikenye nyin to nye degbe daka ekpombe crack deka ikalienye egbegbogbovovo deka.
Yes.
And I want you to deal with that issue on this show. Paramount is so masabuba incho Paramount is yokele I think they are almost 60 something. They are not less than 60. Mashawe nye fiaga. Kemeke de kawo kple no vialo meke tate ke no via timia anye dukotrako. But US is United States. Maybe California governor Lafma is independent and is working. Maybe Texas government Lafma over Pradesh, but no you would the cower you mangoy. Maybe Britain is United Kingdom, independent kingdoms only. Scotland, Wales, England. Okataje land. Scotland, England, Plato, Iceland. Ofa kufu Africa wo United Kingdom plus over your triako. Yamia bo ble fio kata Ashanti okpo fiaga. Odeta kune we ye fia odifia asoglen hokpo fiaga odeta kune fia odifia egba vuvu ya ikenye vuvu toto enye ni ke cause avale Ghana shigere. How do we solve this problem? Never me go never accelerate nyaya be me no gba vuvu don parliament e ka jiba jema joga mo
e jema jo enya nka jo ape na me gbo e bi oto egie na yi le mi ayi amle o me akwa Ashanti o ba amada ka onyo zozo azoli de ka yo zova nyo bi owe bi son fofofo anwo ova fofo efadumi ova fofo ile efadumi o ka hai wa omudama bebe tonwo ha ozo azoli fofo ese goma agavio wa amofofo no anya masenuma ta ameyo wale zozoli azoli zozo me kana wo ko gbe o fi onu la lo onu da kara fofo o heze anya masenuma ta ameyo wale o fufu yi esese it will take ala to adangogbo efogbo anufufu amanu beble enkokrame akwaku afi akima popo ameyo onu kaka it's not too late ni try to be assembly tofie to be togabada pli o fie ma popo alors o jada wọn le goma last year kra ha o fufu o ifi manya Ghana tete o fi ro to Togo Benin kra ha o ma dobo le ekogie le voter serene apo le dankure akoni eya le fufu gore entefere kura didi ve ala delay ha ala sasa ha ga kokoko ma didi o e ya hukuma ala di me ko mi akpele Ewenyigba di ta mi na bi abi e wa bi traditional council so paramount so also boy those are exist because mi va fufu mi so se ka o mi va fufu
nye magbo
ta ka ba pa di
cause ma na blona
yes
kaka ma effect blona
iba effect la
effect nye be na mfon amame pon to woa akponi be wo to mi adoma education mfafia mpopo mfafia komisenyo ha wo nte palo go ngwa mi do go mi America mi nye bukaka if you have mistake aro no ero ye be anglogbenye standard which were mistakes wa be yevu ba we nanama anya go se mi khadona agbe adona nye togbe kula mama o gba o aka mare ko yo no standard anglo which was so wrong ala be yevu va che gba yo ko fofua yo khlama amurka no ngona khla adile to bona banglo bota wo chwe na ma mi wa na vodoma gbadola bibla khama akhle na vodoma gbam me ko ya go se esiata ele bibla me esiata me le bibla e bi yeso pa si po me ele bibla me ta isi nana gbo me le mi o nya do kra egba mfofo america mi yavu ye va na be mi o de la toto ne mi le gbeta du ko me la mi toto bien ne kpono vio ala nya tonwo ala nya flower ala nya flower nya for no mi ona reka tifia ekonyare to parliament and gbogbo cracks yevuva be na mi lingua franca language that unites
Tony Denyana mama
yevu ya ke yevu gbogbo na mi ya be na mi language gbogbo reka awo mi reka ala be ye ba ko vote mi ado Nigeria in can do na pidgin the languages there are over 3,000 in Nigeria ta na Yoruba Igbo po ma karejo ebe business ha ta no ko do pidgin bo I waiting to happen ke lingua franca so
see Tony
this an asset
no you are getting it wrong egba lo only egba okunyo mi le do mi le Ghana that in records la mele record mo
whose record who wrote that record
onye be egbe yo mi fiamle school
who wrote the record mebe dona na nya ma lo fare ka onye nye hajabe okra they are a unique distinct people so when you accelerate the argument of languages even minority languages must be catered for who standardized that record
yes that is why if you see never
na people will record I dia male
yevuye me yevuye nyom to ye ngomi 1992
let me tell you language on record are languages that were interpreted written for theological purposes
yes
ejabo hopoji omrobagbe abokobi omroga ayago se mi ta gbeyoke yevu nwo o le dadia wo notere majibe eya no nye yoke di miason Hausa Dabani
recently there is an argument there was some key languages our main language be Nyadua.
Who made it main?
Good. That is if like na akanto Ashanti ogbe. Ashanti agbelo osi woduo. That can yi to call all he. Egbubu lo osi woduo.
Enya be never do main ma akwapin tree ra elengo na Ashanti la ba akwapin Ashanti ogbebe yevum ga bafumo. Ogbebe ma nyam.
No ela not
what ta akwapin ikanye Presby church mala Presby church onyeba onwo bibla de ekwapi mala bo ho Presby hadem kabata le nso soma ekwapi tree elengo ne Ashanti tree onyeba versus Ashanti what are you talking about
enyo mama obona be say the effect away ye na I will crack nya glo for kind of glo eviomie nya glo be e ya wole kuku it will take ela hemile magbebe it will take some things from us, but eventually it will build a very big united front. Then the Miami Awards, some people will be affected. Then was the fifth year. As the other problem of you, no matter how they are affecting you, they are affecting you. Then we was say, okay, me have to hold me are 9 feet. I don't know height near 15 feet. As a woman, not do gamma. Ele na abobo afina tomato hogom ye ha do nye feet nye 4 feet no we ma kona na ele hoji ele ma de na di afi akono that is how adupopole yima Something will affect you and it will benefit someone. Something will affect another person and it will benefit the other person. But the long run, maybe it will bring us together. No matter what,
I don't think so. You see, Honorable, we don't have to.
In China, they have over 1,000 languages.
But the Mandarin language is standard.
Good. Yeah, that is the Mandarin language is standard. That is also somebody's language. But what you unilaterally, whatever okay, fine.
I would share it doing.
Yes, the matter this the stage that language is the level.
It's dangerous.
It is not dangerous.
In Ghana, me to a blue bay lecture.
Yes.
Research into a blue bay. Me to play. Afi no.
Okay.
A blue bay.
Okay.
Yes, because about two politics, man. They were studying about politics about government. I put that the main languages driving main political parties, but we don't want to talk about that. The truth is a blue bay. Afi again, but afi fantigbe. And you're going to say me, Aleko James, and you again to mafia ko. Cry street here, unless a book will be them and they gain to throw me. And you're going to say me, I feel second exclusively. That's the research. Let's talk back and you're fear. I will come back and apologize for that. But what I'm telling you, I'm very sure about it.
Now, because let's go for it. Let's go. Just go ahead.
Yeah, and now. Because of the politics that dashime, and you're going to say, me, you understand what I mean? Politics that dashime, but we don't want to go that way. Let Kenya Gafia not be a carava at your coin, Mamnoji. Kafra no to blue, Gafia, me tonya tepe. A becak bumble Ghana, Namachu Togome, Fagana Fia, a becky or task bobuide. Ako, Apumpli, Negre of Mafia, with you, no view. About all of them, we don't want to go that. To make a bapper one anymore. No, what said Bereka?
Bereka about that, no matter the proposal, I will more, we will not take Bereka. You have some, how Salama, a Belema, again, behind. When you see again, Becahal in the mind, a down belly of again, a crop belly of again, I feel again, a pork, if you again to hire my mallet. James,
I level James Town tolerable.
Like all feel down of people with gun a dandy. I said, Goma. At the woman, manual, if you have a Hanapaji, what do my belly? Tongue belly. Don't walk belly if you're trying to have massive behagali. I said, Goma. Come, I walk belly. Cafe, I've heard that, but I'm not that, but to make it cry. May a twaji to somewhere with Nyangbo, left or never to a doodle, may come and the hello house do. No, one of them will master Gomo. No, the Motara never the Motara, I'm not sure when you learn will testify to this. About the come be a lady Pomigama, everyone to be all a something like that. About also do, Kakao will be all of do. I said, Goma, no matter how me and by all you fly. Na enye nzimavi ye do gbe na ese enya ibomana ese goma eta egbodo okoye mi atem aho akuwo agwo okay fine eti oyela nya wo wela egbono compulsory be amesa manade afile nya gbedivi so nya no wo do ese goma tombe enya sie da keneba ngo do ko na ngo tombe ko felo beba ngo do po ne ngo tombe ko feel nyoni yo tadi be able me ba ngo be obi nkan pepe ha ko ya ngo able e feel who ese goma do be ha ba advocate be to ngbe ne nya advocate be nya do as an international Ghanaian language kake ne ba le do ba over da ngo ne ba ngo ma kwa ama be ma nya gba lo wo be ma nya gba lo ese goma tell about the gbe some of the decisions like it will affect some people. It will benefit some people. The same way, some other way, another decision also affects the other person and benefit them. But at the long run, it will give us a united front.
All right.
It's a hindrance to us because
messages.
But messages are about. I think of parliament. I think what constituents? I'm not that connected with Igama. You will not go over in our parliament. Can I let them as an MP? And you have Domele, me do me that's never go on any. That a bad Domele me. You know some more.
Perfect.
What do they represent man?
Messages are coming in. Michael Achuba, the main problem of Africa is we do not know who we are. We do not know our value. That is a message coming from Michael Mianko Samcho Akachi. Togianas Mianko Samcho. Here Mianko Samcho Akachi is the same. Good morning to you. Great content, great conversation. I appreciate you for your message. Yeah, I'm going to phone. Okay, akpene ya mianko sem mafio mianko sem le ma gbenami. About the problem of Africa is idol worship. You can't teach our children to pour libations in school. I'm gonna have a message, man. Okay, more messages coming in. Message at your own. Okay, akpene for message, man. Okay, this is another message. Let me just take it. Good morning to you, Tony. Happy Independence. All right. Message the Cacho. I'm not getting the name. Mehiano Unko Afmakla message. I'm gonna Ghana Belgium Inc. Debt Restructuring Pact. A quick one. Ghana Belgium debt restructuring agreement. So Ghana and Belgium have signed a debt restructuring agreement with Belgium, marking a significant step in the country's efforts to manage its external debt.
Yeah, but that's
external debt. The deal is part of the Ghana's broader strategy to structure its debt to restore economic stability, and the agreement involves a comprehensive restructuring of its debt owed to Belgium aimed at improving our country's fiscal stance. And the Minister of Finance emphasized that this agreement demonstrates Belgium's willingness to honor that independence when you are growing like, but Ghana still has a lot of debt. You see, it's related. Belgian king, the Congo Basin, the king of Belgium, ever weapon of. So even up to today, Congo independence, Congo Basin, it belongs to the king of Belgium. Ikebe atancho Belgium about of man of Pakama or no Pakama or on video that though Congo has independence, the Congo Basin still belongs to the Belgian. Today, Belgium to over for me bad do for Belgium, military here that she tell or no nami are we truly independent if we are owing and we have so much debt? Calls are coming in now. I'm your young them, but Yama na tango de Mudura, Mokata, Amomia Yom, Shaka, Vo, Abekeri, in Yoma, Alo, Kapunama, among them at your ramo, plus 2332426707773, no Marakari. No Pukai, Mate Chocolate, more product and chinamsa. Danet Temula alone, Jamaica, do voice message, audio that. Alona ngole ji blona mare na ngole no ko makon cha na makomione ma yo mare fe feel like nyaaye be agbranye be na ma no ngole ru alon to dan be ru plus 2332426707773. Are we independent if we are owing nkruma eya dogao wa kosombo dam the ma motorway plateau tade e dedoji komile ya fa fanya lekemi afia dogo fama
Tony
lekemi afia dogo fama
ima aba glodongo hobi agbaleje do komemi no problem akale modo siada no kule se mi gala yevu kokota
leke mi afia dogo fam
mi a manage mi to mi resources so amilemiesi po mi do enye di my politics e bi o ake having the previous government adulesity akufu go dale 31 ton I don't make 30 tons of goods. Gold wasibi.
Tichiku o message you na do that ajuso ma le fine o tichiku no ma kra message ya ma have problem edo akufaro ko jumo le e ba akufaro nya magbagban to keke ko Ghana to ko tichiku nya do na mi chi triku ye tai Ghana le ku kheme ale King Leopold King Leopold about Ghana dealing with Belgium, we are doomed as a country. You know, Belgium was behind the decimation. Acid Malcore Belgium. So, but when Belgium, we are doomed as a country. I don't know, more calls are coming in. No calls. why on earth should we why should we borrow from Belgium? If we didn't vote these MPP guys out, we will have borrow from Mali, Gambia, or Guinea-Bissau. Already we owe ECOWAS tons of borrowed corn. Oh, wow. More messages coming in. Kojoba, poor management. Mortgage Ghana, nothing to be proud of in this country. We are not independent. Please stop it. All right, thank you. Messages coming in. Honorable Nonya Brown figure. I'm you might tell you might call Marakuku. All right. Interesting. Insults a lot. Honorable Kum.
You see, ima abroad when obrobe, mi o agbanejie la, mi blame you look blame for independence. La kele mo de sia de nula, il mi gala je vous contestel. E mo va no obrobe, e bien be alemia awo ha. Ni ko resources so. Na na do dan pa ku fa do ko na ova, e be Ghana beyond age. E be Ghana e ora yo ma ka ba nya ka ba to ga. Ese go ma. Me management me resources so akakplodo laudable idea, laudable policy. Esa bama dake
me nana
yes
the Ghana beyond age.
Yes, where is that Ghana beyond age? Ni me tem kwe wodo right from
me te ko do mete plodo me
amebe ko dunia wo amebe ko dunia ata now free education.
Bansa
now one of your peaceful nation. I may not want to know.
Do come my 5 years over.
No, to come my 5 years. To come 5 years over. You tell me about money 8 years. To have money. I may not want to know over now free education. I may not want to know. Over expand. You have health facilities. So. Nanado, this government has even testified. Nanado's regime has been no health infrastructure improvement, all the best aspect of it.
Slide Bansa, God bless my homeland Ghana. Good morning, Tony. Good morning to you as well. Ebenezer Azianyoba, good morning, Ghana. God bless Ghana. Hello, Ghana. Good morning to you. Godfrey, happy Independence Day to my motherland. Yeah, happy Independence Day to you as well. Lillian Kofi, lovely voice. Good morning. Thank you for that. Jokobe, extremely beautiful. Extremely beautiful. Tony, very emotional. Nothing to boast of as a country. All right. Hello, Rose. Okay, Rose, happy Independence Day. Great costume. I love your show. Thank you very much. Godfrey Freeman, excellent show. Nyamakuna Grandma. All right, Jifaba, happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to you. Zina Nicholas, God bless our homeland Ghana. Happy Independence Day to you. All right, thank you. Message is so cool.
See, Belgium.
I'm you like what we are not doing.
Belgium. See, politicians no quite followers. Let me the power die too much. No. This same forcing in opposition. Obenukai na do danko akufo DDP. Loan restructuring. Restructuring our loans in Belgium. Ewenyigba. No baby any to hala go seta gbegblon na. Edu fala melenti. Ye ya me gbo no mo du falenti o. Ka kenya du come bele fafa mo. Ye ganya o mo nyon ta me come fa bo mi anu anyo. Mi agbo mi ado aga o nya do gbegblon na. Enya ni ono Porque dora kakami, e que o kakami não vai. O va ko do adira du como lá. Ama testa le seta testa le bem nanado danko akufado. Mi vai edugar Belgium government. Nanado danko akufado e conhe the first government vai edugar Belgium government. At times they let me vai me aglo, me na no kwade aglo. Ese goma. Ghana and Belgium who learn into partnership for so many years. It predates Akufado origin. predate Akufo origin.
Ke Onashbe corrupt country Ghana. What good is NDC and MPP? Nothing good for these parties in Ghana. Useless government destroying the country, land and rivers. What is important? But look for the rivers in Ghana, Mr. Oh no, I mean I do it's not necessary. Me no chichim.
Tony, the Nana, and you day, Manala Bromby, eh? Now, I'm a test. I'll send messages to you. I wish baby all the journalism mountain Nami jail in the domain. Munya, one day, open motor, Macao motor, you are gonna be you came out on TV.
Ah, there are already statement. Not do young ma.
And you know, you adi, eh? Oh, my. I'm no view almost say you do your tactic or your name how you told you like you move marry. What about your daddy? Look at my TV you.
Pellicles, but yes, Balmer's mouth is like a dog, but your Mahama is now stealing his ideas like digitization, solar, ECT. During the campaign, did you ever hear Mahama talking about digitization, solar, etc.? He was rather talking about food, nothing but food, and one election. So why is he not talking about digitization? Muhammad about digitization, I'm not so sure about that. Okay, Tina, do message here. Okay, you have reduced prices of cocoa after promising that you will not. You lied as well. I'm not comfortable with insults. Let me politics for my. You should know the kind of person who is hosting a show. Don't waste your airtime sending an insult to me. I won't read it. Honorable Funyatana.
Tony, it be a birthday in Ghana. Then I know, they follow Vaila a day like today. You see, in the 1956 Parliament, and then Nkrumah and then the David Dankwa no representative. You understand? So this Nkrumah no proposing the Ghana should get independence by 1957. But somebody proposed the date. That date, the 6th March. JB Dankwa always, I take that pride. But yes, though people differ. I'm gonna be independence now. I'm gonna be independence in the near future. The date, the 6th March, because the 1864 bond was signed on that day. So that day, let's keep that date as our Independence Day. Which is the 6th March. The two sides, the Kwame Nkrumah and the JB Dankwa, they didn't argue about it. They accepted. It's just the date. Are you getting me?
Ghana had independence on 6th of March 1957.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
No, I'm saying
that the date, the 6th March, that date, man, that is the day they will declare the independence. The two factions, though Kwame Nkrumah have independence now, the David Akwabe in the near future, but
at the shortest
possible time. But the date of the 6th March, when David Akwabe proposed it, Kwame Nkrumah never opposed to it. They both accepted that day, the particular day.
Okay.
And then today we are here celebrating it. And then the flag, the Ghana flag, the red, gold, green with the star in the middle. I always take pride in it is proposed by one of our own, the right center ideological party, the Dankwa Buzia Dugu party. And that flag.
Proposed flag.
Yes. The red, gold, green flag. JB Dankwa, to be precise. Oh no, this is fact. Go and check about it.
Are you happy?
So I take pride in the independence now. This day has been with us for years. Though as a country,
design flag mania. Long way design Ghana flag mania.
Yeah, design. I'm talking about the choice of the colors.
But the color is an Ashanti color. Ashanti. What are you talking about?
Don't go there. This is fact.
See the rich black man in the forest. The rich black man in the forest. Yellow, black, and green. This is an Ashanti thing.
Yes.
Let's leave that.
Go and find out the history behind it.
That is Kotoko.
Today, there's no politics about independence.
Yes.
Left, right, center, we all accepted the yes. This is our independence. That going forward, as new politicians cropping up, this new generation, Me, I go back to Kwame Nkrumah already. They will manage our own resources.
The black man is capable of managing his own affairs. And my mutual Bapona, Komuma, and yet play rich that was pay one. I'm a dark one. I'm a to my Mukataja by you. Then we have a Jerome and Romo, but I'm a dark one. You don't have your Kataika, Parenchina. Nkeka man, happy Independence Day to everybody. This is Tony McBoy signing out. I'm bye bye.
Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which can life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Aqua water menya one upa for Jojo Kojamole. Nuka back menya when ya, hey, Dadavie, the cow won't make a value. Bofobile the fulfill, Dadavie. Which can life be this? Which can life be this so? Hey, jealousy, oh. So jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey.